Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. It is Arab the Plug again, and this is going to be a MetaTrader 4 tutorial. MetaTrader 4 is actually a forex application. It's an application that is used to trade on the forex market space. So which means, as for crypto, that crypto traders use exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and the likes. If you want to trade forex, you need a MetaTrader 4 application to be able to trade forex. But also, apart from MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 application that is being used to trade forex, you also need to open an account with the broker. First thing you have to do is open an account with the broker, and then the broker is going to, once you open an account with the broker and you deposit or you have a demo account, you are going to be given a username and password and also a server which you will use to log in on MetaTrader 4, and then you start trading with it. So now, this tutorial is going to be an all-rounder tutorial which is going to be exclusive. I'm going to teach you all the features of the MetaTrader 4 application, how to use them, how to place trade, how to cancel your trade, how to take profit, and do every other thing you want to do as a trader, as a forex trader on MetaTrader 4. So ensure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested in content like this, and also ensure you hit the like button. It's very, very important because it's going to help with the YouTube algorithm, and a lot of people are going to get to see this content. So now let's get right into it. So once you get on MetaTrader 4, all you have to do is just go to your Play Store or App Store and download the MetaTrader 4 application. So once you download it, this is what you will have. Then you see the settings page. You click on the settings icon because the first thing you want to do is to sign in into your account. So after creating an account with the broker, if you don't know how to create an account with the broker, I made a forex tutorial where I explain everything forex, and also at the end of that video I explain how you can create an account with the broker, especially the external broker that I use. So ensure you look for that video, the link in the description below, somewhere around this video. Watch that and you know how to sign up an account with the broker. So now, once you sign up an account with the broker, you come to this settings page, you click on new account, then you click on login into an existing account, then you search for the server name. The server name is going to be given to you by your broker that you have signed up with. You just search for the server name. For example, SNS Trial 10, for example, SNS Trial 10. This is like a demo account. You can also search for XNES Real. So let's say your account is XNES Real account. You search for the server. Once you see the server that was given to you by your broker, you just click on it. So let's say, for example, XNES Real 10. Then the login and the password that was given to you by your broker, then you enter it and you sign in. But for the sake of this video, I already have an account signed in. It's just a demo account, just for the sake of explaining to you how to use MetaTrader 4 on this video. So I already have my account signed in. Perfect. Then I go back to the quotes. So now this is the quotes page. This is where you will see all the assets or all the currency pairs or commodities you want to trade in the forex market. So I already have some pairs added here, which is like AUD CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, AUD JPY, GBP USD, USD JPY. So if you want to add more currency pairs to this page so that you can see them, see their prices, and trade them directly from here, you click on the this plus button at the top right corner of the page. So once you click on it, you see all the categories of the assets you can add to that page so that you can trade them. You see the forex indicators, you see the stocks, you see the indices like the US 30, the S&P 500, and the likes. You see the energy group like the UK oil, the US oil, natural gas. You see the crypto, BTC, and the likes. You also see the crypto cross, which is like BTC against some of the currencies. Then you see the majorly crypto, ADA, DOTS, Litecoin, Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, and the likes. Then you see the Forex group, which is like the Euro USD, GBP USD. So these are the groups that are available here. Also, you can just search for any assets, anything you want to add to it. So let's say, for example, gold, XAU. Gold is XAU USD, XAU USD, which is the gold spot or gold value US dollar. Just click on this green plus. Then once you click on it, it's going to be added to your page. So let's go back to the page. You see that gold has been added, right? Then you can add more. GBP USD. Okay, that's already been added. GBP AUD. GBP USD. Okay, it's been added. Euro USD. Let's see. Okay, you can add, you say Euro USD. Okay, you can just click on the green line and it's going to be added. It has been added. Let's add more. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. You can see it, Great Britain pound versus Japanese yen. You add it. You can add US oil. US oil. You can search for any other thing, anything you want to add to the page. And those are things that I'm actually adding the things I trade. So this is crude oil added. So those are the things I usually trade in the forex market. Crude oil, GBP USD, USD, gold, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and the like. So if you want to trade more things, you can just add them just using the same method I've just used to add this particular currency pairs. Also now, if you look at the top left side, you see this particular thing that looks like a pen. You use it to like modify this page. You can just click on it, and if you want to delete any of these things, you just click on them and you delete them. So once you click on delete, you see the delete icon on the top right. Click on delete. Everything has been deleted. You see that everything has been deleted except this one that is naturally attached to it. So now you can add them back by just clicking on, just searching for them again. GBP USD, XAU USD, which is gold, XAU USD, which is gold, and you can add as many as possible. Euro USD. So now let's continue the video. So now, having known how to add these things, you will see that we have simple and advanced. So simple simply means you just have the buying price, the bid price, and the ask price. Then advanced means you have the bid price, ask price, you have the high, you have the low, and some other information that you may want to use. But I usually use the simple because it's simple and straightforward. That's all I need. Then apart from the quote page, the next thing you have is the chart. The next thing you have is the chart. You can click on the chart. You can actually use this thing to analyze, even though I don't use it. You can use it to analyze the market. You can use this to analyze the market, use different indicators, change different time frame, and do stuff like that. This is actually what this page is meant for. So you can just click on any of these assets and look at the chart. Click on chart. It's going to bring you to the chart page. You can change the time frame. You can check indicators and do every other thing you want to do to analyze it. But for me, I actually use TradingView to analyze the market. So now, the next thing is the trading page. This is where you trade. You can see the balance. This is where you see all your balance and your trade. You can see balance $7,000, equity $7,000, free margin, free margin, and margin level. So this is where you see your trade once you place a trade. So you can click the plus sign up here to add a trade. So let's say you want to trade. Then what do you want to trade? Let's say I want to trade gold, right? I'll just set everything I need to set and click on buy. Let me see. Let's say you are buying gold. You see that the trade is running. You see it on your position page. So this page is where you see all your trade. So let me place more trade because this is just a demo account. GBP USD. Let me trade it. Let me click on trade. Buy by market. You see that the trade is also running. Then let me place an Euro USD sell trade. You see, so now this trade page is where you see all your trades. So once you open a trade, you see that your balance is 7K, your equity is 6,090 something, your margin, which is like the amount you are putting into the trade you currently have, the free margin, which is like the balance that you can use to trade from your 7k. 7k is the initial balance. Free margin is how much does it remain from the 7k that you can use to trade. Margin is how much are you currently using to trade out of the balance you have, and like that. So that is it. So these are the trades that are currently running, and you see them on the trade page. So now, history is where you see your past history of the trades you have taken. So let's say, for example, I cancel one of these trades. Let's cancel this gold trade at loss. If you want to cancel trade, this is one of the things I have to explain. If you want to cancel trade, just swipe this page. Use your hand to swipe the page. You see different things. The first one is cancel. You can see. You can close it. You can put stop loss. You can take profit. Right? Let's see. Do it again. And this, you see, the first icon you see is for canceling. The second one you see is for like modifying. The third one is for adding more position, and like that. So let's just use the first one, which is like the mark sign. You click on it and you close with loss. So once you close it, you'll be able to see the history of the trade when you click on history. So you see that it's going to show you the history of the trade you have taken today. If it's for the past week, you see the history you have taken for a week, for months, and stuff like that. So that is the history page. There is nothing much there actually. So let's go back to the trade page. So this is the trade page where you see all your trade, and you can see what I've explained. Then when you have a trade, you can close the trade by just what I explained just now, and also you can see details of the trade by just clicking on it. Once you click on it, you see details of the trade, the ID, the trade ID, the charges, the taxes, the swap, and every other thing. So now going back to how do you take a trade on MetaTrader 4. So if you want to take the trade, once you go to your quotes page where you have the things you want to trade, if you want to trade something and you don't have it here, just click on this page, and you add it. Let's say you want to add GBP JPY. So just add, let's say you want to trade GBP JPY now, right? So if you want to trade it, all you have to do is come to the thing you want to trade and click on it. So you have to click on it, you see trade, right? So you click on trade. It's going to take you to where you will trade. So now at this page where you will trade, you have different things. You have sell by market, you have buy by market. Then you have market execution. Market execution means you want to buy at the immediate price available at the market, right? Then if you don't want to use market execution, just click on that market execution and you see different options. You can use buy limit. Buy limit means you want to buy at a price that the market has not reached at that particular point. It means maybe you want the market to like calm down a little bit more before you buy the asset. So you have sell limit, which means you are clicking on, you want to sell, but you want to sell at a price the market has not reached yet, like a lower price from the market. Now you have buy stop, which means you feel that the trade is already moving and you want to catch the trade on the move. And sell stop also is the same thing. The sell trade, it means maybe you want to short GBP JPY and the current price is 198.66, and you feel that okay, once the price drops to 195, sell for me. So I'm going to make another video. I actually have another video where I will explain that. You can find the link for that video in the description below or somewhere on my channel. You can find that video where I explain the concept of buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and also sell stop. So these are the kind of trade orders you can use to enter a trade in the forex market. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using market execution. So I'll just click on market execution. Then this page where you see 0.05 is where you select the lot size. So I'll select the lot size, which is like 0.5, for example. Let me use 0.5 lots. If you don't understand the concept of lot size, I will refer you back to my forex tutorial where I explain everything you need to know about forex. Is about an hour 30 minutes long video where I explain the concept of lot size and every other thing you need to know about forex. So ensure you watch that. Is somewhere in the description below. So now this is where you select your lot. Then you see stop loss not set. You can just set your stop loss like 197, then take profit like, okay, let's set stop loss at 195. I want to take a buy trade. and take profit at 200. So I'll just click on buy by market because I'm taking a market buy trade. So once I click on buy, it's going to be executed and you see the trade running already on the trade page. This is how to take a trade on MetaTrader 4. It's simple and easy. So let's say you want to take a GBP USD trade. You click on it, you see trade, you click on trade. If you want to take market execution, you create. Okay, let's say you want to take buy limit, for example. It means you are buying at a lower price, at a price that the market has not reached. So you set your lot size, then you set the price. The difference between this one and the market is that the market, when you click on the market execution, it's going to buy for you at the market price at that time. But for buy limits, you have to put a price that you want to buy. So now, this is 1.2. The current market is 1.2711. So let's say you want to buy at 1.2600. It means you want the market to like calm down a little bit before you buy. Then you set your stop loss, which is going to be lower, 1.2599 or 990. Take profit. Let's say you want to take profit at 1.2800. 1.2800. Then you click on place trade. So once you click on place trade, the trade is going to be placed, but it's going to be on orders, which means an order that has not been activated yet because the market has not currently reached that price. So that is simply how to place orders on MetaTrader 4. So MetaTrader 4 is very simple and easy to use. It's straightforward. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need any sophisticated means of trading. So this is just simple and straightforward. So you can actually also have different accounts on MetaTrader 4. So if you go to the setting page, you can even add a new account and have a list of accounts on MetaTrader 4 and you trade them. So that is how to use MetaTrader 4. I hope you got value from this video. If you got value, ensure you hit the subscribe button. Ensure you like this video as well. And I'll see you in the next one.